Board members, do we have any comments from the public?
John Pollock, 1412 North 35th Street, Omaha. This is just to remind you folks that this particular segment of line is going to be the most vulnerable in your system to winter ice storms. The underlying reason is that you get an ice storm when you have a combination of cold Arctic air near the surface and warm, moist air that originated in the Gulf of Mexico that comes in aloft. And normally in the winter, that type of flow tends to get shunted to our east and south, and that's where they get the very heavy icing. However, southeast Nebraska is closest to the Gulf of Mexico of any of the service area, and it is most likely to come into a situation where you're getting heavy rain from the moisture aloft that's freezing as it gets near the surface. So just something to continually keep in mind when you're putting structures in that area, that you've got a higher risk of losing it to ice storms than the rest of the system.
Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Lori Gift, and I'm here today speaking on behalf of Omaha Together, one community, also known as OTOC. And my comments are very brief. OTOC would like to thank the board and OPPD for including community groups and individuals in decision-making processes. So we are really grateful for that. Thank you. That's it.
Thank you.
The advantage of being large. Laverne Tran. I had this article. I just happen to have this article. It's called Smart Wires, and it's about power throttling and routing devices that can decongest, get rid of the congestion in your wires. In this article, it talks about you have two choices: either turn off your power plants or build more wires. And here it's their innovation is a device similar to a current transformer with an onboard computing cellular connectivity that mounts directly on transmission lines, adds impedance as needed to choke the flow of electrons through overloaded lines and redirect it to other transmission corridors. And it's being tested now, and it's actually being applied to the Texas area that you guys were talking about on Tuesday, and I just really wanted to get that to you. Thank you. Thank you.
We'll forward that on to Mr. Dogman.